Did you know that the top 1% of salespeople earn more than the rest of the sales force combined? Imagine being part of that elite group, making more money than you ever dreamed possible. Now stop imagining, because I'm going to reveal some powerful game-changing strategies that can skyrocket your sales. These aren't your typical tips. These are secrets that top salespeople use to stay ahead of the game. Mastering sales isn't just about making a living, it's about achieving financial freedom and building a successful business. If you don't watch this video till the end, you might miss out on the key strategies that could set you apart from the average salesperson. Don't be left behind. Stay with me and let's unlock your full potential in sales. Have you ever wondered why some salespeople seem to close deals effortlessly while others struggle? Is it just luck, or is there something more to it? The truth is, success in sales isn't just about having the right product or the perfect pitch. It's about having the right mindset. A positive and proactive sales mindset can make all the difference. When you believe in yourself and your ability to succeed, you're more likely to take the necessary actions to achieve your goals. This mindset helps you stay motivated, handle rejection better, and keep pushing forward even when things get tough. Let me tell you about Sarah, a salesperson who was struggling to meet her targets. She felt defeated and was ready to give up, but then she decided to change her approach. She started focusing on her strengths, setting small, achievable goals, and celebrating every win, no matter how small. This shift in mindset transformed her career. Within a few months, Sarah went from being at the bottom of the sales leaderboard to becoming one of the top performers in her company. Her story shows that with the right mindset, you can achieve incredible results. What do you think is the most important factor in making a sale? Is it the product, the price, or something else entirely? Let me tell you. While having a great product and competitive pricing are important, the real key to successful sales is building strong relationships. Trust and rapport are the foundation of any successful sales interaction. When clients trust you, they're more likely to listen to your recommendations and ultimately make a purchase. Building this trust requires genuine interest in your clients' needs and a commitment to helping them find the best solutions. Here's a practical tip for building instant connections with clients. Always start by listening. Ask open-ended questions about their needs and challenges, and really pay attention to their answers. This shows that you value their input and are genuinely interested in helping them. For example, instead of jumping straight into your sales pitch, you might ask, what are the biggest challenges you're facing right now? This approach not only builds rapport, but also provides valuable insights that you can use to tailor your pitch to their specific needs. Now, have you ever faced a situation where a potential client seemed interested but then suddenly backed out? Don't worry, because now we will learn how you can turn that no into a yes. One of the biggest challenges in sales is handling objections. Whether it's about price, product features, or timing, objections can derail a sale if not handled properly. The key to overcoming objections is persuasive communication. Start by acknowledging the client's concerns and showing empathy. Then, provide clear, concise responses that address their worries. Use positive language and focus on the benefits of your product or service. Remember, persuasion is about helping the client see the value in what you're offering. Let me share a story about John, a salesperson who faced a tough objection. He was pitching a premium product to a client who was concerned about the price. Instead of pushing harder, John listened to the client's concerns and acknowledged them. He then highlighted the long-term benefits and cost savings of the product. By the end of the conversation, the client saw the value and agreed to the purchase. John's ability to handle the objection with empathy and clear communication turned a potential no into a yes. Do you know about the latest sales tools that can boost your performance and make your job easier? If not, you're missing out on some game-changing technology. In today's digital age, leveraging technology is crucial for staying ahead in sales. There are numerous tools and technologies designed to streamline your sales process, improve efficiency, and help you close more deals. From customer relationship management systems to sales automation software, these tools can save you time and provide valuable insights into your sales activities. Let's take a quick look at one such tool, a CRM system. Imagine having all your client information, communication history, and sales data in one place. With a CRM, you can track your interactions, set reminders for follow-ups, and even analyze your sales performance. For example, using a CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot can help you manage your leads more effectively and ensure that no potential sale slips through the cracks. This kind of technology can dramatically increase your sales efficiency and help you focus on what you do best, selling. Now tell me, how confident are you in your current sales skills? Do you think there's room for improvement? In the fast-paced world of sales, continuous learning and self-improvement are essential. The market is always evolving, and so are the techniques and strategies that work best. By committing to ongoing training, you can stay ahead of the curve and keep your skills sharp. This not only helps you adapt to new challenges, but also opens up more opportunities for success. Remember, the best salespeople are always learning and growing. Take the example of Mark, a salesperson who was doing well but felt he had hit a plateau. Instead of settling, he decided to invest in his growth. He attended workshops, read books on sales techniques, and sought feedback from his peers. Over time, Mark's skills improved significantly, and he started closing bigger deals and earning more commissions. His dedication to continuous learning transformed his career and made him one of the top salesmen. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started by understanding the importance of a positive sales mindset and how it can transform your career. Then we explored the power of building strong relationships and trust with your clients. We also delved into mastering the art of persuasion and handling objections effectively. Next, we looked at leveraging technology and tools to boost your sales performance. Finally, we emphasized the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement to stay ahead in the game. Now, it's your turn to put these strategies into action. Try them out and see how they can make a difference in your sales. Share your experiences and any tips you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you'll get access to more valuable content that can help you grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. Before you go, I have something special for you. If you're serious about growing your wealth, you won't want to miss my previous video, where I reveal the money secrets that the rich don't want you to know. In that video, I share practical tips on how to manage your money effectively and build lasting wealth. If you want to watch, click on the video popping up on the screen, and let's continue this journey to financial success together.